Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So as the title says, we have a vending machine in our apartment and we have decided to show you guys how the vending machine works and what products are stored in the vending machine. So let's get into the video.
I think I'm gonna take this milk. I can't buy.
Door is open. Please pick up your item.
It opens. And then I'm gonna take two.
Please close the door. Thanks for your purchase.
So there's some bread, cheese balls, nachos, eggs, biscuits, popcorn, cupcakes, milk, idli dosa batter, cheese, paneer, some chocolates. And here there are some onions, tomatoes, potatoes, wafers, all the junky foodie, some juice and stuff. So it's not opening, so maybe that's a sign for me not to eat junk food.
Thanks for your purchase.
Okay, it's connected. Say one more thing. You can pick more than what you selected from yours so that money will automatically get deducted from your account. Say I'm just picking one cheese balls.
Door is open. Please pick up your item.
But I decide to pick something more than that, I can still go ahead and do that.
Please close the door. Thanks for your purchase.
That money gets deducted from your account.
So we have got this Hershey's milkshake, and what did you get? Nachos and cheese balls. We are going home and we are going to eat it.
And you all know what is the time,
Yeah. We are in our PJs and the time is 1:21 a.m. and I have an exam tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Hope this video was informative. Yes, very informative. Where you can pass your IAS exam with this. Interesting. I meant interesting. Right. So I hope it was. If it was, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Boredom got us here. And do let us know in the comment section if any of your apartment has such vending machine from Big Basket. Until we all meet you in the next video, stay safe, stay care. Take care. And it's actually 1:30, so our let's all be more productive. Let's get back to our work. Bye everyone.